Hey everybody, it is Saturday, April the 14th, 2018. Happy Saturday to everybody. Just a really fast one. I am starting off some cabbage from seeds. You can see them right there. I've got 10 of them. I've just wet down my paper and it's going to go into this little baggie. So a really fast video for today. I wanted to show you that, and I will keep you up to date on the progress with these cabbage. So that there, I'll just give you a little close-up of the actual packaging. So that's it for this really fast video. I'll catch you on the next one.